Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great knife kit. It is a 16-piece set by a company called Imarku. This is the box that it's going to come in, and then once you open it up, this is what the block looks like. So it has this nice wood block. To give you an idea of the size of the block, it is 6.5 inches wide by 8.25 inches depth and about 9 inches in height. It does have a little groove in the front, which makes it easy to pick up and move around when you need to kind of like relocate it, or you're trying to move it, clean the counters, whatnot. So you're not picking it up. It makes it a lot easier to utilize. Now, obviously, it's going to include a little user manual that tells you about all the blades that we're going to cover right here in the video. Everything is made out of a really sharp, high carbon stainless steel. It's very well balanced in the hand. They all have these little kind of grooves on the side of the handle, which keeps it from sliding in and out of your hand when utilizing it. It's very non-slip, if you will. Everything, which is big for me, everything is dishwasher safe. You can toss all this in the dishwasher, and they have not shown any rust spots or anything like that. They've cleaned up really, really nice, so you don't just have to, you can hand wash them, but they're also dishwasher safe, which is really, really important, at least, like I said, to me. Now, like I said, it's a 16-piece set. So on the sides, you are going to get a total of 6 steak knives. There are going to be 3 on each side of the block itself. Then you are going to get a chef knife, and that chef knife is going to be 8 inches in length. You're also going to get a slicing knife. And then you are going to get a bread knife, which is also 8 inches. So each one of those are 8 inches long. Now you are going to get a Sanzuku knife, which that is 7 inches long. Then you're going to get a 6-inch boning knife. And then it's going to include a 5-inch utility knife and a 3.5-inch paring knife. And then finally, you're also going to get some kitchen shears that have the serrated edge on them, which makes it easy to utilize. They have little plastic handles. And to keep all your knives nice and sharp, you are going to naturally get a sharpening stick that you can utilize. But overall, like I said, it is a great kit. If you're looking to replace all your knives, you're looking for a great setup in your kitchen. Storing it's really easy because it all fits in the block. It looks nice on the countertop. For all those reasons, I do totally recommend checking out this knife set by our Imarku. If there's something that I haven't covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.